friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. And today we're going to do decorations to celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month. Hispanic Heritage Month is celebrated from September 15th to October 15th for the contributions and influences to the world. So let's get started with doing some balloons. We're going to use these balloons to make some balloon flowers. And these Hispanic Heritage decorations will go great. Hispanic Heritage banner. We're going to get this hung up next. Okay friends, so once I got the banners hung up, I realized that they were blocking the little cutouts I had. So I just went ahead and moved those around the banners on the backdrop so they wouldn't be covered up. And now we're going to put up our balloon flowers on either side of the backdrop, and I just used some double-sided tape to help those hang up. And now we have these pretty fans. I'm just going to put them together with some paper clips. Let's put them on the backdrop. I'm just using some tacks to help hang them up. When I started putting the yellow one up, I noticed it was too far away. The yellow was more in the middle, so I went ahead and just moved the bigger fan right next to the yellow fan, and now I'm adding the third fan to make a little fan collage. And friends, now I'm going to do the same thing above the banner that I did to the bottom of the banner, kind of making a fan collage with a few smaller fans. And then we have the flags we're going to add to the very bottom of our backdrop. And here you have it, the final decorations for Hispanic Heritage Month. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified of all my video releases on Fridays, and have a royal day.